smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight when you stopped to say hello. You wished me well, you couldn't tell that I'd been crying over you, crying over you. Then you said so long, left me standing all alone, alone and crying. Understand that the touch of your hand can start me crying. I thought that I was over you, but it's true, so true. I love you even more than I did before. But darling, what can I do? For you don't love me, and I'll always be was alright for a while. I could smile for a while. Then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight when you stopped to say hello. You wished me well. You couldn't tell that I'd been crying over you, crying over you. Then you said so long, left me standing all alone, alone and crying, 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 crying. It's hard to understand that the touch of your hand can start me crying. I thought that I was over you, but it's true. Ooh, it's so true. I love you even more than I did before. Oh, darling, what can I do? No, you don't love me, and I'll always be crying over you, crying. Now you're gone, and from this moment on, I'll be crying, 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 yeah,
She wore blue velvet. Bluer than velvet, was the night. was the light from the stars.
She wore blue velvet, bluer than velvet were her eyes, warmer than May her tender sighs. Love was
Ours a love I held tightly, feeling the rapture grow. Like a flame burning brightly, but when she left, gone was the glow of
blue velvet. But in my heart there'll always be
precious and warm a memory through the years, and we still can see blue velvet through our tears.
But when she left, gone was the glow of blue velvet. But in my heart there'll always be
precious and warm a memory through the years, and we still can see blue velvet through our tears.
Heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. Well, she tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and cut your hair, and from your lips she drew hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked the floor. Used to live alone before I knew ya. But I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Our love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light. It's a cold and broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
How about the song Because of You?
Well, I actually had never heard it until you guys sent it to me, and then it's like classic Tony Bennett, and it was just such a well-written song, and it's such a beautiful song.
Yeah, it is a wonderful
What year
song.
was that recorded?
1950.
Because of you, there's a song in my heart. Because of you, my romance had its start.
Because of you, the sun will shine, the moon and stars will say you're mine forever and never to part. I only live for your love and your kiss.
It's paradise to be near you like this, because of you my life is now worthwhile,
And I can smile because of you.
You know what? It's so easy. Tony makes it so easy. You make it so easy to sing because it's so natural for you. You know that?
But I love singing with you. I love it.
I love it too.
Thank you.
We have to do it more.
I'd
More
love
and
to.
more and more and more.
Every time I do it, I get a hit.
Can you help me on my? Can you come sing on my records?
Absolutely.
I only have a
anytime.
hit when I sing with you.
I really mean it. I only live for your love and your kiss.
it's paradise to be near you like this,
Because of you, my life is now worthwhile.
I sing better when I'm not wearing headphones. I sing better when I'm like in the space and
Yeah, I understand.
listening naturally like you are on stage.
Well, you know, and actually, that's the way the public, when we perform live, that's the way the audience hears it.
Yeah.
And to me, I think when you record, the closer you get to a natural performance, you know, the better the record gets.
I agree. Totally.
and I can smile
Because of you.
just a kiss, just a kiss. I have lived just for this. I can't explain why I've become this l.a.n.g. Just a smile, just a smile. Hold me captive just a while. I can't explain why I've become this Chatelaine. Every time your eyes meet mine, clouds of calm burst into sunshine. And just a sigh, just a sigh. Words, my love, just reply. I can't explain why I've become Miss Chatelaine. Miss Chatelaine. A smile, hold me captive just a while. I can't explain why I've become Miss Chatelaine. Every time your eyes meet mine, clouds of warm burst into sunshine. Just a kiss, just a kiss. I haven't lived just for this. I can't explain why I've become Miss Chatelaine, Miss Chatelaine, Miss Chatelaine, Miss Chatelaine, Miss Chatelaine. If I could make a wish, I think I'd pass. Can't think of anything I need. No cigarettes, no sleep, no light, no sound, nothing to eat, no books to read. Making love with you has left me peaceful, warm and tired. What else could I ask? There's nothing to be Sleep, silent angel. Go sleep. Give me a kiss to build a dream on, and my imagination will thrive upon that kiss. Sweetheart, I ask no more than this, a kiss to build a dream on. Give me a kiss before you leave me, and my imagination will feed my hungry heart. Leave me one thing before we part, a kiss to build a dream on. When I'm alone with my fancies, I'll be with you, weaving romances, making believe they're true. Give me your lips for just a moment, and my imagination will make that moment live. And give me what you alone can give, a kiss to build a dream on. When I'm alone with my fancies, I'll be with you, weaving romances, making believe they're true. Give me your lips for just a moment, and my imagination will make that moment live. Give me what you alone can give, a kiss to build a dream on.